Swiss flag history. The Swiss flag has a simple and unique design that has remained unchanged since its adoption in 1889. The flag is a red square with a white cross in the center, with each arm of the cross being 1/6 longer than its width. The origins of the Swiss flag date back to the Middle Ages, when the region that is now Switzerland was part of the Holy Roman Empire. At the time, many Swiss soldiers carried a banner with a red cross on a white background into battle. Over time, this design became associated with the Swiss people and came to symbolize their struggle for independence and freedom. In 1848, Switzerland adopted a new constitution that made it a federal republic. However, it wasn't until 1889 that the Swiss flag was officially recognized as the national flag of Switzerland. Today, the Swiss flag is an important symbol of Swiss identity and is used to represent the country at international events, such as the Olympic Games and the United Nations. It is also commonly displayed in public spaces, such as government buildings, schools, and churches. The Swiss flag is unique in that it is one of only two square flags in the world, the other being the flag of Vatican City. The design of the Swiss flag is simple yet powerful, reflecting the country's commitment to democracy, neutrality, and individual freedom. The Swiss flag, also known as the Schweizer Fahne or Drapeau Suisse, has a long and fascinating history that reflects the country's culture and political evolution. Here are 10 of the best things that make up its story. The Swiss flag is a simple design, featuring a red field with a white cross, extending to the edges of the flag. The colors and design have a long history in Swiss culture and are deeply symbolic. The current design of the Swiss flag was officially adopted in 1848, but it has been used in various forms since the Middle Ages. The colors of the flag are thought to represent various values and ideals, with red symbolizing courage and bravery, and white representing peace and honesty. The Swiss flag has a long history, dating back to the Middle Ages when it was used by Swiss soldiers as a symbol of their allegiance to their country. The flag has been flown in many significant historical events, including the Swiss Reformation of the 16th century, and the country's role in the formation of the International Red Cross. The flag is a powerful symbol of Swiss identity and patriotism, and is widely recognized and respected around the world. The Swiss flag has been the subject of controversy and debate, particularly in relation to the use of the Swiss cross by extremist groups. Despite these controversies, the Swiss flag remains an important and enduring symbol of Switzerland and its people, and is a source of pride for many Swiss. The Swiss flag is also a reminder of the country's long and rich history, which has seen it emerge as one of the world's most prosperous and stable nations, with a culture that continues to it. The Swiss flag is also a symbol of the country's commitment to neutrality and diplomacy, with Switzerland playing an important role in international organizations and peacekeeping efforts around the world.